Spino here for another toy review. This toy review, also known from the 12 Days of Toy Reviews, is... Oh, let me rephrase. Today, for the 12 Days of Toy Review, we have the Mini-Pla Super Sentai toqger resha Hyper teioh. Anyway, I recently built this guy, like today, and yeah. Well, anyway, he's got his arms move up and down, and he's got bend at them, which surprisingly is more articulation than the DX version has, or it just has movable arms, no bend. Anyway, now for the transformation to train mode. Now you can either put the train up here, or you can do what I like to do. Just unfasten